Take a look at my Phantom wallet, $5.1 million stacked from launching meme coins. No guessing games, no hype chasing, just deving right. Stick with me, I'll show you how it's done right now. Now every single time I bought inside a brand new meme coin which I thought it was going to explode, it made me feel like it was just gambling. And that's what happened the most of the time. I got completely dumped on and worst of all, just completely drained. Now the truth is simple, traders lose and the devs will always win. Because when you dev your own coins, you control everything. You create the coin from scratch, you control the liquidity and the timing of the rug. And as a creator of these coins, you risk absolutely nothing. $0 for deving coins. But if you keep trading, you will bleed every single day. And by the way, right now Bitcoin is at all-time highs and Solana is above $200. It's the best time to start deving, so make sure to watch this video. Now I just want to be clear that this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and this is not an investment advice. Tap! Now, if you're still deving coins on Pump.Fun, bro, you are missing out on juicy money. Because even though they just came out with a brand new live streaming feature, it's simply just too oversaturated and too overcrowded. There's endless tokens and live streams launching every single minute, and most are vanishing instantly. So you don't even get the chance to get viewed by thousands of people. Plus, you don't even control your own liquidity of your own Pump.Fun coin. That's exactly why I completely switched to create tokenfast.io, because on this website your token launches straight to Raydium. It's immediately graduated, so it goes under Raydium Dex immediately, and thousands of potential investors are going to see your coin. Do not get worried about making money, and buyers can trade it immediately. I would highly recommend to hop on createtokens.io alongside thousands of other devs that are doing the same thing. Now, how do you launch a meme coin on createtokens.io? Now, you have two clean ways. The first way is to go on X and try to find a good narrative. Well, you will find a good narrative, right? It could be literally anything. Though TJ tells Cassandra to go through his girlfriend G. Okay, that could be good. That could be really good for a narrative. Basically, Cassandra's girlfriend is cheating on him. That's a good narrative. 3.2 million views. You know, just anything like that. After you have a good narrative, come back to createtokens.io, invent a name, add the symbol and image, for example, and just like that, your coin is live after a couple seconds and after a couple steps. But the second method though, that's my favorite one, and that's the most profitable, the copy trending coins tab. Now, this page right here is where all the magic happens, okay? Because all of these coins, they all have a good narrative and they're all proven to attract buyers and people. And these coins are all hot on Pump.Fun at the moment. All you have to do is copy them here and launch them directly onto Raydium instantly. And since the traffic is already flowing in, you will get instant buyers and bigger profits from the start. You will see just in a moment how fucking easy it is. Alright, let's dive in. I'm deving a coin right now live so you can see exactly how quick and simple it really is. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the website just like so. Then click on refresh list and let's look for a coin to potentially copy and make some money off of. I'm gonna go with the M Wizard coin. It has a last buy 8 seconds ago and a $20,000 market cap, so crit coin. Ignore the warning from Phantom, it's completely normal. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created. You just gotta be patient, and boom. If I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's live on the blockchain and it's legit. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is easy. We're just adding liquidity, which is what makes your token instantly tradable on the Raydium DEX. Now for the amount token A right here, by the way, there's two simple steps before creating the pool. Now for the amount token A, just tap 90%. That's going to drop 900 million tokens into the pool. Right under is for the amount token B. This is your very first buy into the pool. You are not losing any funds here. They're locked in, the minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once you remove the liquidity later, that SOL comes right back to you inside your Phantom wallet. I'm going to put 0.35 SOL. Make sure you have enough in your wallet, then click on create pool, and by the way, you are going to get it back, and then click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the M Wizard coin is on live, our PNL is right here, and then if you click on refresh for a second time, now I'm up $210 because people are now buying our coin through Raydium. Anyways, click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen and let the coin load up because, yeah, come on. Now let me go a bit like this. We are getting buys. We're at a 1.4k market cap, 60 bucks sale. That's bad, but do not worry about it. It is going to go higher and higher because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin on the Raydium DEX, and you're going to get a bunch of more apers. You guys will see in a few seconds how fucking fast it's going to explode, okay? Just trust my word. Let's see what happens. Okay, liquidity is not looking too good. Oh shit, I hope it doesn't die out, because usually they just explode when you copy coins. But yeah, now you guys will see, just give it some time for it to marinate. Come on, go higher. Ooh, that's bad. We're getting rinsed a bit. Come on. Now, by the way, if your coin doesn't work, you can just, restart. Take out your profits right here, make a couple $100, and just do it over and over again. That's exactly why this method is so good, because it's repeatable. You can do it over and over again until you are fucking blessed. Now, come on. Okay, $44. Come on. Yes, $28 right in your wallets. Come on. Maybe one more. Maybe one more buy. Yes, $30. Okay, things are looking good. Another buy. Okay, $15. Okay, $5. Oh my god. Okay, $20. Now guys, retracements are normal. Come on. One more buy. Okay guys, I'm gonna be right back, okay? And when I'm back, we're gonna make some money. So yeah, enjoy the show. Now I told you guys that the coin was going to explode. As you guys can see, it dumped, then it fucking ripped. And that's the power of the Raydium DEX and createtokens.io. Now if you want to make some money, come back to the site and then click on the refresh button. Ooh, and as you guys can see, we're up $1.6 thousand. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin. Come on, you have to go fast. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive this amount of money. Click on confirm. And boom! Wow! That's exactly how you dev a meme coin and make some bread. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom, $1.6 thousand all in my Phantom wallet.